Now let's look at the different types of corporations. The C corporation is the most formal. You have to file an article of incorporation with the Secretary of State. And, well, with all of these, the costs are going to vary. But with the C corporation, you must have a board of directors, you must issue stock, and you must hold an annual general meeting. Now, the ownership is determined by who owns stock. And that's great if you plan to go public, your IPO, because you can raise financing by issuing stocks. However, whoever owns the stock can transfer the stock. They can sell the stock. For federal income tax purposes, a C corporation is recognized as a separate tax-paying entity. Investors and owners are not generally liable for the debts and the liabilities of the C corporation. Now, your C corporation conducts businesses, it realizes its income or its losses, it pays its taxes, and then it distributes the profits to the shareholders. Now, the C corporation does not get a tax deduction when it distributes these dividends. So the profit is taxed in the C corporation at the point that it's earned, and then it's taxed to the shareholder when it's distributed. Now this is a double taxation, and shareholders cannot deduct any losses for the corporation.